I don't know how to animate very well yet, but I have a new program and I love to learn new techniques and use new tools for art making or garden making. So, in between the rainstorms that keep me from going out in the garden and the chores that I have to do around the house that don't have anything to do with gardening or art, I'm going to play with this program, which is called, I've forgotten what it's called. I'll put it up above. Maybe I'll add one animation to each video so you can follow along. And I did make it out into the garden just a little bit yesterday before a major hailstorm interrupted my plans. I had a little help moving some soil from the driveway or to the backyard, and I got some stones laid down, and I created a little corner that's going to be a place to paint. And then, oh my God, the weather changed so severely. I actually spent the next hour holding up the tent so that it wouldn't collapse on me because of all the hail that suddenly appeared on it. That's another story. I didn't film that. I was too busy saving my little art structure.